Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I just unboxed a box of Uninspected Returns shoes that I want to give you the breakdown of what I'm going to make. All right, so I just unboxed this entire box of shoes. I threw them all back in. If you're interested in seeing each individual pair of shoes, check out my part 1 of women's shoes bulk.com Uninspected Returns unboxing. It should be on there. I'll tag it at the end of this video. But I've also got some gift baskets for sale for Valentine's Day and also some Christmas ones. I'll stick those down in the description. But here's my specs. Since I've already gone through all of this and looked at all the numbers, I wanted to give you the numbers of what I think I can make off of this particular box. It has 39 pairs of shoes in it. All the shoes look like they're in great shape. There's a few that I'll probably list as used simply because they don't come with tags or the original box. So they're uninspected returns. I expect to make $377.50. I paid $94.76, so when I subtract that from my $377.50, I potentially will make $282.74. Now, that's just dollar amounts from what I paid to what I list and ship it for, but that's not all the time that I put in. I obviously unbox it, but there's also, you have to take into consideration, it's going to probably, with the 39 pairs of shoes, take me about 3 hours to completely list them. Okay, so take that into consideration when paying yourself. I will do research on how much is this particular shoe or something comparable selling for so that I make sure I price it right on my platform. I put the majority of my shoes on Poshmark, so if you like any of them from part 1, go ahead and check out my Poshmark store. It's gonna, every time I sell one, it's gonna take me about 5 minutes to put it in a box. Poshmark is relatively easy because it's a prepaid label already, but it's gonna take me 5 minutes to put it in a box, print the label, and then set up the pickup for them to come and get it. So take that in consideration, 5 minutes per 39 items. And the biggie with that one is every time you sell one, make sure you're organized. You can spend an hour looking for one particular pair of shoes. So make sure wherever you have it stored that they're easily to see, they're easily findable. I think I just made up a word, but they're easy to find because you can waste a lot of time. I remember before I got moved into this space, I really did. I wasted hours and hours digging through boxes of clothing and items just to find the one that sold. So make sure you stay relatively organized. You can color code them. You can put them in a specific space. I have everything in like big giant filing cabinets with drawers. And so that seems to help me. So just an idea of, yes, I'm going to make the 282, but what goes into making those things? It's list unboxing for you guys. I make the videos. It's listing them. It's doing the research to price them right, and it's packaging them and using organization will help. So hopefully this has been helpful to kind of know from a bulk.com women's shoes uninspected return box that I paid $94.76. I look to make up my $94.76 plus an additional $282.74. Hopefully this has been helpful, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.